Can't find your debit card and don't know if it's lost or just misplaced? Instead of canceling it immediately, you can freeze it. Today, I'm showing you how to use this powerful feature in the BoA app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Think of the freeze function as a temporary pause button for your card. It immediately blocks new purchases and ATM withdrawals, but it keeps your recurring bill payments active. To freeze your card, open the Bank of America app and log in. Select the account linked to your card, and find the Card Management or Security settings. You'll see a clear option to Lock Card or Freeze Card. Just toggle it on. If you find your card later, unfreezing it is just as easy. Go back to the exact same spot in the app and toggle the lock off. Your card will be active again in moments. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Freeze first, think later. The moment you can't find your card, freeze it through the app. This gives you time to look for it without the panic of someone else using it. If it's truly lost, you can then proceed to order a replacement without the rush. So, just like that, you have total control over your card's security in real time. Has the freeze feature ever saved you from a panic? Let me know your story down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.